In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up approval workflows for document reviews on Monday.com. This guide will walk you through creating a streamlined process that makes reviewing documents as efficient and organized as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening your Monday.com workspace. Once you're there, locate the New Project button on your dashboard. This is where your document review workflow journey begins. After that, you'll need to click on Board. This step is crucial because it allows you to set the foundation for your workflow. Then proceed by selecting New Board. This option will help you create a dedicated space for your document review activities. Now go ahead and type in Document Review Workflow as the name for your new board. Naming it specifically helps in organizing and quickly identifying it among your other projects. Following this, you'll encounter the privacy settings. This step is essential for controlling who can see and interact with your board. Choose the appropriate option based on your team's needs to ensure the right level of access and confidentiality. Once you've set your privacy preferences, it's time to bring the board to life by clicking Create Board. Congratulations, you've just set up the basic structure of your document review workflow. Next, you'll need to organize your board by clicking on the Group title. Here, add groups such as Submitted Documents, Under Review, and Approved. These stages will help track the document's journey through the review process with clarity and simplicity, making sure no step gets overlooked. To further enhance your board, it's time to add some columns for tracking essential information. Consider adding document name, status, assigned person, and other categories that might be relevant to your specific workflow.